In this video, I'll show you how to configure your site details. First, log into your Kajabi admin panel. From the left-hand menu, scroll down and click Settings. On the next screen, find Site Details and click on it. Under General, enter your site title. For example, I'm using Premium Kajabi Templates and Services. For the domain, I'm currently using a Kajabi subdomain, but you can also use a custom domain. We'll cover how to set up a custom domain in the next video. Next, add your support email, support phone number, and language. The text direction is set to left to right by default, and you usually don't need to change it unless your website language requires right-to-left formatting. For the home page, I recommend keeping the default option, which shows the template homepage. If you want to use a specific landing page as your homepage, select Show a Landing Page and choose the page you've created. Otherwise, keeping the template homepage is the easiest and cleanest option. In the branding section, upload your logo and favicon. A favicon is the small icon shown in browser tabs. This helps keep your branding consistent across your site. Next is colors. Here, you can create a color palette that you'll use frequently when editing your website. This makes design work faster and more consistent. The next section is about you. Upload your headshot. Then add your name, title, and a short bio. In the page script section, you can add tracking codes, such as Google Analytics. If you're not sure whether you need this, you probably don't, and you can leave it empty. The SEO and social sharing section controls how your website appears when shared on social media. Add a title, description, and a shareable image so your site looks professional when linked. Next is Kajabi branding. You can keep this disabled, which is perfectly fine. Once you're happy with all the changes, click Save Settings. That's it. This completes the site details configuration.